What's going on, everybody? Still alive, back with another video. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. We got a package from Oregon Stacker, y'all. Let's dive right into this and see what we got. We've been running errands all day, but you know, that's how it goes. The gorilla's in a good mood. We're in a good mood. That's how we're gonna roll with it. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Always nice packaging with Oregon. Oh, it says bonus item. Let's open that first. I gotta be careful with the small one. I might cut myself. Oh, we got a 20th ounce Anza Libertad. Let me see if I can focus on this thing. There we go. This thing is beautiful. Hey, Oregon, I appreciate you, sir. Let's go. We'll put this in the giveaway, y'all. I appreciate you, Oregon. Let's see what this is. Let me see if I can open this without cutting myself. I'm gonna open all these, actually. Hopefully. Try not to cut too hard. Alrighty. Bear with me a second, y'all. Oh, I forgot about that. Let's go. Ooh, there's some goodies I can't wait to show you guys. Let me see if I can cut this tape off. Alrighty, let's start off. First off, we got the 100-gram Geiger bar. These things are so clean. I love the Geigers, y'all. Check that out. Then we got a 1883 MS63 Morgan. That is beautiful. And my favorite, the Chinese dragon. Look at that design, y'all. This is beautiful. Let me focus on that a little bit better. Camera's not doing this thing no justice. Once again, I appreciate you, Oregon Stacker. If you haven't checked out Oregon Stacker, y'all, go check him out. Much love, sir. Love y'all. We'll see you guys soon.